Hey Grand Adventurers, welcome back. I'm your host, Mark Guido. And this week we're celebrating our 400th episode with this great new collapsible, portable, stainless steel stove and fire pit from Slinky Stove. So stay tuned. This episode of Grand Adventure is sponsored by etrailer.com, where you'll find thousands of products for RVing, towing, camping, outdoor recreation, vehicles, boating, and more. Use the link down below in the video description to shop eTrailer with Grand Adventure. We met Eddie Candelar, the inventor of the Slinky Stove, while we were hosting our Q25 rally down in Quartzsite, Arizona last month. He's created the only portable fire pit in telescopic design that remains intact in both the collapsed and the extended states. That means that despite its size, this 23-inch stove remains easily portable throughout your camping travels. Eddie wanted us to try out one of his Slinky Stoves, so we sent us home with this 23-inch model. It also comes in two smaller sizes, 17 inches and a tabletop 7 inches. Our colleague Traveling Robert was using the 17-inch in his campsite while we were down in Quartzsite. One nice thing about these stoves is they can use multiple fuels. You can use firewood, but you can also use charcoal or wood pellets in the Slinky Stove. Effective ventilation throughout the entire design allows these Slinky Stoves to burn virtually smoke-free and hot. One thing I will tell you right up front is this nice shiny stainless steel finish does not last. Once this heats up, the heat will discolor the stainless steel, so it kind of turns like a little bit of a light gray in color. Your purchase of a Slinky Stove comes with everything you need to set up not only at the campsite, but also in your backyard or on the patio for a nice cool evening outside. It comes with the stove, of course, and a fuel tray. It also comes with a cooking grate, and it even comes with a poker. And when you're ready to pack things up, it comes with a nice heavy-duty durable storage bag. The Slinky Stove is available on Amazon, as I said, in three sizes, 7-inch, 17-inch, and 23-inch. However, they've been absolutely flying off the shelves, and the only size presently available at the time that we're making this video is the 17-inch. That's a really nice, handy compromise size, but if you'd like to check out either the 7 or the 23-inch, we're sure that they'll be back in stock soon. We're going to put a link down below in the video description to the Slinky Stove on Amazon, and we're also going to put it right in our Grand Adventure shop on Amazon. We only put in the Grand Adventure shop on Amazon products that we know and love and use ourselves. So you can trust that we've already given it a shot and that we like having it along on our camping travels, and we're pretty sure that you'll enjoy having them along on your camping travels too. We're going to come right back to reminisce about the 400 episodes of Grand Adventure, right after we take a brief moment for our valued video sponsor, eTrailer. Whether you need products for your RV, boat, trailer, vehicle, hunting and fishing, off-roading, and more, our video sponsor eTrailer has you covered. Best of all, you'll find over 100 US-based enthusiast customer service reps ready to help via phone, chat, or email, both before and after the sale. These folks have used themselves the products that you're shopping for, and you won't find a more knowledgeable team anywhere to help you with your outdoor project. Click the link down below in the video description to shop etrailer.com with Grand Adventure. Hi, welcome to the newest episode of Grand Adventure. I'm your host, Mark Guido. I'm here to talk to you today about satellite TV in your RV. It's hard to believe that what started as a project that we made for friends 7.5 years ago, and now 400 episodes ago, is still going strong. Grand Adventure began life as a vehicle that we made to help our friends promote a mountain bike festival in central Utah. But once we were done, we figured, hey, we can keep the outdoor content coming, so why not? We started filming our weekend RV adventures in and around our home state of Utah. As time went on, however, we began venturing further and further afield, spending more and more time away from home. Guys, we're several hundred feet above the water. This is amazing. I wish I could bring you with me. It is so beautiful up here now. It feels like nothing. I took a year off from my career in 2018, in part to build the channel. I returned to the workforce in 2019, but my new employer allowed me to work from the road. By late 2020, with our former travel trailer falling apart, we realized that we were paying to live in our home only half the year. So we took the plunge and went full-time in a new fifth-wheel trailer. We enjoyed successes and fretted over failures. We kept improving and expanding our stable of cameras to capture the moments the best way we knew how. We've made upgrades to our camping equipment over the years too. First fully outfitting the fifth wheel for extended boondocking, and eventually replacing our Toyota Tundra with the pickup truck that we should have had in the first place. From 2017 all the way through today, we've been putting out new episodes of Grand Adventure at least once per week. We've now checked the box on all lower 48 states and 4 of the Canadian provinces. We'll be adding 1 more state, 2 more Canadian provinces, and a whole lot more of the Western US and Canada that we have yet to see coming up this year in 2025. All the while, it remains our mission to bring you along with us, to make our Grand Adventurers feel like they're traveling right there with us to some of the most spectacular destinations across all of North America. We split each year between 7 full months on the road and 5 months holed up in this RV park in Utah for ski season. But the days are quickly getting warmer, the sun is getting higher in the sky, and it won't be long between we're back out on the road for our travel season 2025. And all the while, we'll bring you new episodes of Grand Adventure each and every Wednesday evening. So if you're not yet a Grand Adventurer yourself, there is no better time than right now for you to go smash that little subscribe button right down there in the lower right-hand corner of your screen and ring that notification bell to be sure that you never miss a Grand Adventure. We'd also be honored if you shared the channel with your friends, family, and on social media. Understand it's extremely important to us that if you liked this episode, please be sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. And while you're down below, that's where you'll find the comment section, which is where we'd love to hear from you each and every week. So until next Wednesday, Please remember, life is nothing but a grand adventure. We'll see you then.